What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another college day of my life vlog. Today's Tuesday. It is 7:50 right now and I'm heading to my one class of the day. I just love Tuesdays because I finish by 10 o'clock. I have my human environment class. It's the lecture today and tomorrow's the lab. I'm just wearing an Adidas hoodie today and some Granny Melville joggers. Super bummy and comfortable because it is gloomy out. It's gonna be raining like the next couple of days, which is not fun. But I just brought my coffee with me to go today. I made the Melozio pod because that's just like a regular coffee pod, not like the flavored ones, and it's really good, so definitely give it a try. But I'm gonna go and head to school and I'll see you guys all when I get there. I also have some errands to run after class today, so I'll bring you guys along. The rain is not going to be stopping me today. It usually makes me really tired and lazy, but we're gonna push through and just get some stuff done, and I hope you guys all do the same, especially even if it's not raining. If it is raining, just get up and push yourself to run those errands and do all the work you have to do because you'll thank yourself later. I really hope this rain holds off until I get to class and finish class and get to my car because I don't have an umbrella and I'm not trying to get all soaked. So I guess I just jinxed myself because now it is starting to rain, but it's fine. Like my car is right here basically, and I'm gonna go to Best Buy and then I need to go to Target because I need some oat milk and hopefully they have it because sometimes they really just don't, and I'm sorry this angle is so bad, but I don't want my hair to get wet. Just parked at Target and I'm really hoping that they have the milk because I really need it because mine just ran out this morning. It's super rainy now and just not the best out, so I need to put my hoods on because I just did my hair, so I don't want it to get messed up. And it's 10:47 right now. When I get home I'm gonna do some work and eat something because I'm also starving. That's like the only downside to when you wake up so early. Like I feel like when I eat so early I'm not too hungry, but I want to eat something, and then I get hungry for lunch so early, like it's not even lunchtime yet, you know, so I have to eat like a granola bar or something. We'll see. They don't have the oat milk. So they didn't have the milk that I wanted, so I guess I'm gonna have to go another day somewhere else. But I just got this simple micellar cleansing water to use to remove my makeup whenever I'm wearing makeup for a party or any occasion, just to have. And I got like the smaller version, so that's only thing I got today, and I'm gonna go home so I can eat something and start my work. So after Target I was supposed to just go home like I told you guys, but I actually stopped at Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. I went to Trader Joe's first to check to see if they had the milk, and they didn't, but then I was in the section where they have like the juices and the ginger shots, so I picked up 3 things. And then Whole Foods had the milk, so they had only one left of the regular. And then I got the other version, which is just a low-fat version, which I've had before when Target didn't have this one and they had this one. So regardless, I got the milk at Whole Foods. And then I got these 3 things from Trader Joe's. So before I used to think that Trader Joe's and Whole Foods were both like really expensive, but I figured out that Trader Joe's is not really that expensive at all. Like I got my everything but the bagel seasoning for $1.99, and then I just got these 2 ginger shots, which are $1.99 as well, plus this big juice, which is $1.99 as well. So instead of paying, sometimes like they sell these type of cold pressed juices for like $5 to $7. I've seen like really expensive ones, and then these also Whole Foods sells them for like $5. and I found it from this other market that they sell it for $2.99, and this was the cheapest ones. So I'm gonna try one of them today, see how I like it. It's just a organic, no joke ginger juice shot, a blend of coconut water, ginger and lemon juices with cayenne pepper. So I'm gonna keep one of them refrigerated, and then I'm gonna try this juice. I'm not like the biggest juice girl. Like I've had juices with kale and spinach and pineapple, which I like because I like pineapple, but celery, all that stuff, I'm like scared to try because I feel like it's just gonna taste like earth, and I don't really like that. But I like lemon, I like ginger, I like cayenne, and this has apple cider vinegar, and it's by the Suja organic brand, and it supports immune health. So with like everyone getting sick and a lot of like the temperature changes and everything, I like to just take like preventative caution care, and so yeah, why not try it? And you know, it just also gives you like a little boost as well. So I'm gonna put this other one away and put the milk away, and then try to figure out what I want to eat for lunch, because now it's about to be 12, so it is lunchtime, I guess. And then I will start my work finally. I've been saying I'm gonna go home and start my work, but I couldn't resist. I was like, you know what, let me try these other places because I need my milk. So I decided I'm gonna have an egg omelet with baby spinach inside. It's so good. I used to make this a lot, and then I stopped because I started making the eggs with like the broccoli and the avocado and all that stuff. But my dad bought this the other day, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start making the omelets now with this. Sometimes I also put it in like my scrambled eggs, but today I'm kind of feeling an omelet. So I'm gonna have this, and then I'll drink it with my juice and take the ginger shot. So I just put the omelet like this. I didn't flip it over because it kept breaking in the pan, and it was like being really annoying. And then I did everything but the bagel seasoning on top, poured myself some water, and then I'm gonna drink my juice. Right now I'm gonna take the shot first before I eat. Hopefully it's good, because I really like the other one that I've been showing you guys by Juice, J-U-S. So I'm gonna try this one, and hopefully it's good. A lot of people really like it, so let's see. Cheers. It's not bad. I really like it. I think the only difference, well, the difference is there's no orange juice in this, and the other one has orange juice, so I guess it makes it a little bit like sweeter tasting, but it's not bad. It's really good actually. And now let's try this. I'm really scared for this, even though hopefully it's not too like bubbly. Some drinks are like super bubbly and I don't like it. It's actually really good. Okay, now time to eat because I'm starving. This is my little list for today. I have my social advocacy discussion board that's due Thursday, so I'm gonna work on that. Last week was an essay, and this week is the discussion, and then we have to reply to 2 other people's discussion boards. And then I have psych homework that's due Thursday. I already read chapter 2. I just have to read chapter 3 and then read a separate case study and answer like 2 questions. So these are both due Thursday. My first priority is the online class though, just so I can knock it out of the way, because it takes a little longer since I have to read like an article or 2 articles that go along with the assignment. I just finished my discussion post. I just save it as like a PDF because it's easier, because our discussion thing, if you type too much, it kind of like goes to the side, and it's really like really weird and annoying to read. So I just did it like this, and now I'm gonna respond to my friend who posted hers already. So I'm gonna respond to hers, and then I guess tomorrow or whenever people start posting, I will just find one more to respond to, and I'll be done for that. Up in a ponytail. I'm gonna take my mat out and do a quick workout. I've been trying to get better at staying active and doing some workouts even if it's at home, because it makes me feel really good and I miss it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna do abs and I think legs. and then I'm gonna shower, and I'm so happy because I finished my work for the day. I'm so happy. Like, it is such a good feeling when you cross off everything from your list. So I definitely recommend making lists because I swear by it. Also, if you're feeling lazy or something, let this be a motivation to just get up and do something. Even if it's at home, just get out a mat, just do something on the floor and get your body moving. So I will see you guys after my workout. I'm all fresh and clean, and I'm actually gonna go and cook my own dinner tonight. I've been doing good with my meals today. They were really good, and I'm actually gonna make myself some fish, my favorite fish. It is called tilapia, and the way I make it is just so good. I, put some seasoning, lemon, garlic, and some breadcrumb to add like a nice crunch to it, and I just put it on a pan and cover it for a bit, and then just wait till it gets white inside. And then I'm gonna make that with bow tie pasta, my favorite, just a little bit of that, and then some steamed broccoli, and you're good to go. It's so freaking good. Squeeze lemon all over everything, and you have yourself a nice dinner. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of how I do it, a little montage. I don't know why I thought we had the elbows, but this is gonna have to do just some penne. First, I just let this thaw out for a couple minutes, and then it'll be nice and soft and ready to start seasoning. Just put the broccoli now, I'm gonna cover it, and this is the fish. You just let all the breadcrumbs get crunchy. Alright guys, I have my tea, my green tea. It is literally steaming, so I'm not going to drink it yet. I have to let it sit because it's not good to drink tea when it's freaking super hot. I read an article about that. But today was a really good day. I feel really good. I worked out. I also had some yummy meals today. My breakfast, lunch, and dinner were all really good, and I just felt good after working out and just being active. So definitely do that, plus being productive with like all my schoolwork. Everything combined just made today such a great day, and now I can have like a really chill night. It's like my favorite time when I do something that is like super productive during the day. I just get to unwind. But hope that motivates all of you guys to, whether it's today, tomorrow, whenever you're watching this, just get up and do something active, move your body, eat a good snack or eat a good meal, drink some tea, and just have yourself a nice day. That's what you guys all deserve. So leave a comment down below what you guys like to do to, unwind from a long day. Whatever you guys like to do, just comment that down below, and I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and feel the sky